Hi everyone, thank you for watching. Today I want to give you a little bit of tough love as to why you might not be seeing progress. And there's two big mistakes that people are making, and it typically looks like this. You start a program and 2 weeks to a month goes by and the scale either doesn't move or it doesn't move as much as you want. So you stop the program because it's not working and then you fall off. And a month goes by and you say, you know what, I'm going to try this fat loss thing again. You find another program, a program that works, and then the same thing happens. A month goes by, you don't see progress on the scale, it doesn't move as much as you want, or it doesn't move at all, and you decide, fuck that program, that one doesn't work either. And you do this over and over again, program after program, diet after diet, thinking that none of them work, when the reality is, it's not the programs, it's the method and the way you're going about it. Mistake number one is that you're focused way too much on the scale. I honestly think the scale should be your last resort when it comes to checking your progress, because it's really defeating and it doesn't show you the whole picture. It's normal for the scale to fluctuate up and down, and it can be possible that you're losing body fat without the scale moving at all. And so that's just doing you a huge disservice because you don't think you're making progress, but you're actually making progress. I actually don't have my clients hop on a scale at all throughout their program and have them focus on other forms and other methods to keep track of their progress. And I've noticed a huge difference in the way that they think about the program and just like their mindset around like the scale. Other ways you can keep track of progress is, honestly, I really like focusing on non-scale victories. So that could be you went from not working out at all to working out 3 days a week consistently for a month. Hell fucking yes. Another way that you can make progress is you are upping the weight every time you work out and you're getting stronger. That's progress right there. And then another way you can keep track of progress is by taking progress pictures and then just taking those bi-weekly and seeing how your body is changing. And that concludes mistake one. Don't focus on the scale. And mistake number two is that you aren't being consistent, because the reality is everything works. Paleo works, veganism works, CrossFit works. It all works as long as you're consistent with it at least 85 to 90% of the time. And sure, there's stipulations. Some people can't do certain things and have certain dietary needs or whatever. But the reality is you have to be consistent with it in order for something to work, and that's more than 30 days. And I know we have this like quick fix mentality. I need this weight loss right now because the fitness industry has programmed that in our head with these like get fit in 21 days and 30 days and lose all the weight and then it's gone forever. But like, that's not the reality of it. It's the fact that you have to be consistent with it for more than a month, up to 3 months, up to 6 months, or even a year. And you have to just continuously push through it, even when you're not seeing progress, even when you don't want to. You just have to do it. My takeaway is stop focusing so much on the scale, focus on other forms of progress, and to be consistent even when you don't want to. And then you will finally make the progress that you've always wanted to make. So that is my little tough love for the day. I hope that you found this helpful, and I will talk to you in the next video.